Hey guys, Fahazman here. In this video, I am going to show you how you can recover deleted photos, videos, messages and contacts from iPhone. If you have lost crucial data from your iPhone, you know how difficult it can be to recover it. If you don't have iCloud backup, the best way to recover data in this situation is to use iMyFone debug. It can detect the deleted data so that you can easily recover them, even if you have done a factory reset. It supports all modern iPhone and iPad. Download link of this software is available in the video description. iMyFone debug offers multiple ways to recover your iPhone data. So first we have Smart Recovery. If your data is lost in one of these situations, Smart Recovery mode might be the easiest solution for you. Next we have Data Recovery from iOS device. In this option, it scans your device for data that has just been deleted but was not saved on iTunes or iCloud. Recover from iTunes backup. Here the software recovers data from your iTunes backup. Recover from iCloud. Use this method when you want the software to recover data from your iCloud backup. So here I will choose the option Recovery from iOS device. Connect your device to your computer. Click Next to proceed. Now select the types of files that you would like to recover. iMyFone debug supports all types of iPhone data like messages, call history, Safari history, photos, music, videos, voice records, notes, calendars, etc. Not only common iPhone data, but debug also can recover some third-party app data. It includes some popular messaging apps like WhatsApp, Viber, WeChat, Line, Kik, Data, etc. It means if you have lost some messages from these apps, you have a chance to get them back. You will just scan your device using iMyFone debug and restore the data. Select the types of files that you would like to recover. After that, click Scan. The program will start to look for the deleted data from your device. It will take some time to scan your phone and show you the files which you can recover. So don't disconnect your iPhone from your PC while the process is happening. Now all scanned files are on the program listed according to category. Here you can see all the recovered data, contacts and photos. Click each tab to check all files or only preview the deleted items by choosing Show only the deleted files. Select the files which you want to recover and then click Recover at the bottom right corner. A pop-up window will display to let you choose the location to store the recovered files, and it will take only a few minutes to finish the recovery. So here it is, all the recovered data. You can download a free version of iMyFone debug. However, when using the free version, you will only be able to preview files but not recover them. To recover and restore your documents, media and other files, you have to purchase the registration license key. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. Comment on below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.